Hey guys, welcome to Mr. V's Kitchen. In today's video, we're going to be showing you how to make one of the best crunchy snacks that you can enjoy. Let's get right into it. And the dish we're going to be making today is a very simple dish. It's going to be the jalapenos, Takis, and cream cheese. You might have heard of it. I'm not really sure what to call it. It's a really crunchy, tasty snack. It's not spicy at all. You can make it spicy if you want, but it's not really that spicy. So yeah, let's go ahead and get right into it. Alright, so the first ingredient we're going to need is a jalapeno, some Takis, some cream cheese, and a mixer or a crusher. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut the head off of the jalapeno. Then we're going to go ahead and start to scoop out the jalapeno, the inside of the jalapeno. I like to keep the seeds, so right now I'm just going to scoop it out and dump it. And what we're going to do is we're going to take the seeds, and we're going to put them in a little bowl so that we can use them to mix in with our cream cheese. So once we get the seeds mixed, once you get the seeds separated, now what we're going to do is we're going to take a little bit of the cream. We're going to take about 2 to 3 spoons of cream cheese and put it inside the cup with the seeds. I recommend using 1 to 2 or 3 spoons if you don't want a lot. If you're making 1 jalapeno, I think you should only use like 2 spoons. But if you're making like 3 or 4, maybe use like 4 to 5 spoons of cream cheese. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to take our Takis. Now you want to use a crusher. A potato smasher works really well, but I'm going to separate my Takis. I'm going to put them on a cutting board so I don't want to make a mess. We're going to take the Takis, and then we're going to take the little beater / mixer. A potato smasher works as well, and we're going to smash the Takis like so. Now I've got my Takis all crushed up. Then I'm going to put it inside the cup with my cream cheese and my seeds, and I'm going to get ready to mix it. So some people like to do it with seeds. I honestly think it makes it more spicier because everyone knows that the spiciness comes from inside the seeds. So if you want to make it a little bit more spicy, use the seeds. If you don't want to use the seeds, then it's okay. Just use the Takis. And some people just put cream cheese in it and then stick some Takis in it, like I'll show you at the end. So now I have my mix ready. So now we're going to get ready to stuff this mixture inside of the jalapeno. As you can see, it is all stuffed. So what we're going to do when we stuff it, we're going to place some Takis. Like I said, people put plain cream cheese and then stuff in the Takis. They think it tastes better. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. We'll see you on the next one. Peace.